My name is Bruce Calhoun. I am a teacher and the founder of Save the Rainforest. Since 1988, it has been my privilege to be involved in a growing movement of students and teachers to preserve tropical forests. I invite you to join us now as we travel to some of the rainforest reserves that children from all over the world have helped to establish.
Tropics have always been a love of mine. I started learning about them when I was going to school in Madison, and feel that there's a need to protect the tropical rainforests, and I thought that learning about it firsthand would be the best way. The diversity is just amazing. That's one of the things you always read about when you're studying the tropics, but when I see all the different types of plants and insects and hummingbirds, I can't wait to show the pictures when I get back.
For millions of years, tropical rainforests have covered the warm and humid land masses. Since time immemorial, life has gone on, from the ceaseless activities of leafcutter ants to the slow and precise movement of the great snakes. There's an incomprehensible array of animals and plants in the rainforest because the temperatures are always warm, sunlight is abundant, and there's plenty of water. The only thing lacking is soil nutrients, and this problem is solved by fungus and termites. They break down the nutrients in dead vegetation with amazing efficiency, providing plants with the building blocks they need to grow. Human beings came late to this lush world. Their presence can be measured in tens of thousands of years. They came first as hunter-gatherers, traveling in small bands, adapting to the forest and living in harmony with it. Later, other humans brought something they called civilization. They cut down the forest to plant crops, to harvest timber, and to graze cattle. In the past 50 years, half of the world's rainforest has been destroyed, raising havoc on this delicate and complex ecosystem, triggering a massive extinction of species. Only recently have we begun to realize what we are losing. With this realization has come the urge to take action.
And I think we have a job to do, but it doesn't not only belong to conservation organizations, it belongs to everybody. That we have to, if we want to have a better earth for us and for our kids.
That was so cool. It was easily one of the coolest things I've ever done. And just kept saying it over and over again. Like, every single day we did something that was amazing, unbelievable. We weren't going to tell everybody. And then it just finally hit me about like 2 nights ago. It's like, this trip is the coolest thing I've ever done. It's being with these people, everything we've done, the entire journey, getting here, everything we've done has been amazing. And there's nothing else that we could have done in high school that would ever come close to this.